Hi friends! Welcome to Cafe Serie. We're here again in San Juan, Siquijor and may natanaw kaming kakaibang cafe sa area. Ang Luna Libro Cafe and Bar. And totoo nga, napakaganda nito sa loob. From the book collections to its interior designs, napaka-unique talaga ng cafe na to. Kaya naman, mapapapicture ka talaga dito. Pwedeng kunyari mahilig ka magbasa post, sweet post with your mahal, or pwedeng tamad post. Nandito rin pala yung office ng owner. Aside sa ambience ng cafe, syempre di pwedeng palagpasin yung mga ino-offer nila here. Post nyo na lang for your reference. First, we order matcha latte and friends, i-base nyo na lang sa reaction ng friend ko kung sa tingin nyo ano yung rating namin. I ordered their signature iced bookworm bliss and my rating here is 7.5 out of 10. My partner ordered their signature hot fire island mocha and we rate it 7 out of 10. We also tried their sweets like double chocolate and dates energy bar and both have normal taste for me. We also tried their shrimp scampi pasta and for me I rate it 8 out of 10. Wi-Fi and sockets are available kaya pwede ka na maglaro ng fave online games mo or makipagtsikahan sa mga friends mo. If you're having your vacation here in Siquijor pero alipin ka pa rin ng salapi at trabaho mo, I highly recommend Luna Libro Cafe for you. O ano, aya na, tara kape tayo!